Welcome back to my channel. So today we are making some chocolate sandwich. So here I have some compound chocolate which I've taken along with nuts, walnuts, almonds and cashew nuts. Now on a piece of brown bread I'll be adding cream. So the cream was not coming out, so I had to put a lot of pressure and then spreaded the cream, and then the chocolate shavings which we have, the compound chocolate shavings along with the nuts, almonds, walnuts. You can totally use dark chocolate of your choice. Not if you don't want to use compound, you can use dark chocolate and nuts of your choice as well. You can use hazelnuts and anything. I am using light butter, Amul light butter, but it had a mild salty taste to it, so I didn't like it quite, the salty taste. So you can use unsalted butter instead of it, but if you are fine with it you can go ahead and use the normal Amul butter, the salted one only. So now I'll be taking the grill pan which I have. So I'll heat it up on a low flame. I'll be adding this butter and then I'll be grilling the sandwich on the stove. That's how it turned out. So here, taking my sandwich, I was shooting with one hand, that's why it's a little messy. Turning the flash on so that it looks fine, lit up. So I'll be grilling the chocolate sandwich and you'll see the end results. So here, this is the melted chocolate, it did not burn. This is all the melted chocolate compound which we've used. Now I'll be turning off the flame and I'll plate the sandwich. This is all chocolate. This is not burnt at all. This is all melted chocolate. I'm lifting the cashew and putting it there. You can see the grill marks on the sandwich. Now I'll be cutting it in half and then I'll be serving it. So trying to cut it in half with the big spoon which I've used. Now I'll be sprinkling it with shavings of chocolate and nuts which I have. You can use white or dark chocolate chips if you have, and chocolate sprinklers if you have in your hand, if you have at your home. Now I'll be using this Hershey syrup. Just trying to make a good design but couldn't do because from one hand I was shooting and other hand I was doing this. So I made some random designs just to take the taste of chocolate. Pouring some more of the chocolate shavings which we had and the nuts. Now the sandwich is ready to dig in. This sandwich was so heavy that I couldn't eat it. I had to share it with someone, with my brother. So have a bite. This is how it looks. So chocolatey, so tempting, almost waffle craving. If we top it up with some ice cream, it tastes heavenly.